Welcome to Nations Geographic. Today, we explore El Salvador, Central America's smallest country, but home to over 20 volcanoes. Spanning just 21,041 square kilometers along the Pacific, El Salvador packs incredible diversity, from volcanic peaks to world-class surf beaches, earning its nickname, Land of Volcanoes. El Salvador sits on Central America's Pacific coast, wedged between Guatemala and Honduras. It's the region's smallest and most densely populated country. 6.5 million people share this volcanic land. Despite its size, El Salvador boasts 320 kilometers of stunning Pacific coastline. Santa Ana Volcano, El Salvador's highest peak at 2,381 meters, features a stunning turquoise crater lake filled with acidic water. Last erupting in 2005 after 100 years of silence, this active stratovolcano offers one of Central America's most dramatic hikes. The summit reveals breathtaking views of neighboring Lake Coatepeque and the perfectly conical Izalco volcano. Lake Coatepeque fills a massive 7 by 10 kilometer volcanic caldera formed 72,000 years ago. This stunning crater lake, with depths reaching 115 meters, sits in the shadow of 3 volcanoes, Santa Ana, Izalco, and Cerro Verde. The lake mysteriously changes from deep blue to vibrant turquoise every few years, a phenomenon scientists still can't fully explain. Izalco, El Salvador's youngest volcano, was once called the Lighthouse of the Pacific for its persistent glowing eruptions visible from ships at sea. Born in 1770, Izalco erupted almost continuously for 200 years before mysteriously going silent in 1966, just one day before the inauguration of a nearby hotel built specifically to view the eruptions. El Tunco is El Salvador's most famous surf town, where world-class waves attract surfers from across the globe. The town's name means the pig, after a distinctive pig-shaped rock formation offshore. Black volcanic sand beaches, consistent point breaks, and vibrant nightlife make El Tunco a Pacific coast highlight. The Ruta de las Flores is El Salvador's scenic 22-mile mountain route connecting charming villages like Joya, Apaneca, and Ataco. Named for vibrant floral displays, this coffee region features colonial architecture, cascading waterfalls, and cloud forests. The route showcases El Salvador's premium coffee heritage. Volcanic soil creates some of Central America's finest beans. Joya de Cerén, the Pompeii of the Americas, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site where an entire Mayan village was buried by volcanic ash around 600 AD. Unlike most Mayan sites, Joya de Cerén preserves everyday life, homes, kitchens, even crops still in fields. This extraordinary time capsule offers unmatched insight into ancient Mayan daily existence. Pupusas are El Salvador's beloved national treasure. Thick corn tortillas stuffed with cheese, beans, chicharrón, or loroco flowers, then griddled until golden. Served with tangy curtido cabbage slaw and salsa roja, pupusas unite indigenous Mayan corn traditions with modern flavors. Salvadorans consume millions of dollars worth every weekend, and the second Sunday of November is National Pupusa Day. El Salvador's volcanic soil creates ideal conditions for premium Arabica coffee. Once the country's main export, coffee remains central to Salvadoran culture and economy. High-altitude plantations produce beans with exceptional flavor profiles, notes of chocolate, caramel, and citrus that coffee connoisseurs prize worldwide. Suchitoto, meaning place of birds and flowers, is El Salvador's best-preserved colonial town. Cobblestone streets, whitewashed buildings, and artists' workshops create timeless charm. Overlooking Lake Suchitlan, this cultural hub hosts vibrant festivals celebrating Salvadoran art, music, and traditions. Cerro Verde National Park protects a lush cloud forest on an extinct volcano. This ecological reserve offers spectacular views of 3 active volcanoes, Santa Ana, Izalco, and San Salvador. Hiking trails wind through orchids and rare birds, showcasing El Salvador's biodiversity and volcanic landscapes in one stunning destination. El Salvador's 320-kilometer Pacific coastline offers some of Central America's best surfing. Consistent swells, warm water, and uncrowded breaks attract surf enthusiasts year-round. From beginner-friendly beach breaks to world-class point breaks, El Salvador has become a premier surf destination without the crowds of neighboring countries. El Salvador, where fire meets water. From 20 volcanic peaks to perfect Pacific waves, from pupusas to premium coffee, this tiny nation delivers outsized adventure. Thank you for exploring El Salvador with Nations Geographic. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our journey through the world's countries. Drop a comment telling us which country we should feature next.